Simplifying the trigonometry expression, 1 plus sine of u over cosine of u plus cosine of u over 1 plus sine of u. Think of these as two rational expressions or fractions. As of now, they don't have the same denominator, so to combine the two, we would need to have the least common denominator. The denominator in the first term is cosine of u, and the denominator in the second term is 1 plus sine of u. And since these two, they don't have any common factor, the least common factor is therefore the product of the two, and so the least common denominator is cosine of u times 1 plus sine of u. We then multiply each term with what we need. The first term, we would need to have 1 plus sine of u. But if we multiply 1 plus sine of u in the denominator, we would do the same thing in the numerator. For the second term, we would need to multiply the denominator with cosine of u. Therefore, multiplying the numerator with cosine of u as well. We then simplify this. Since these two fractions have the same denominator, we can combine them with the common denominator of cosine of u times 1 plus sine of u. In the numerator, 1 plus sine of u times 1 plus sine of u is 1 squared plus 2 times 1 times sine of u plus sine squared of u, or sine of u, the quantity squared, plus cosine of u times cosine of u is cosine squared of u. But immediately we have the identity cosine squared of u plus sine squared of u is 1. So the numerator is 1 squared plus 1, which is 2, plus 2 sine of u over cosine of u times 1 plus sine of u. Notice that we can factor out the 2 in the numerator to get 2 times 1 plus sine of u over 1 plus sine of u times cosine of u. The 1 plus sine of u cancels out, leaving us with 2 over cosine of u. Since the reciprocal of cosine of u is secant of u, we can rewrite this as 2 times secant of u.